Hi, thanks for stopping by the Sunbelt Rentals workshop. We're glad you're here. Now today we're gonna go over how to use a 2-inch gas trash pump.
The 2-inch pump is ideal for various dewatering applications, such as trenches and excavations and swimming pools. Now before we jump in, let's review some very important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses and insulated gloves. Trash pumps are sized by hose. For example, a 2-inch pump uses a 2-inch hose, a 3-inch pump uses a 3-inch hose, and a 4-inch pump uses a 4-inch hose. As pump hoses increase in size, they increase in capacity. Large pumps are more complex to set up and are used for larger pumping applications. Otherwise, they are quite similar. Let's take a closer look at the 2-inch trash pump. This pump can handle larger pieces of debris, like a ball up to 1 inch in diameter. This unit pumps up to 25,000 gallons an hour. Before you get started, you must prime the pump. Twist off the water cap and fill the reservoir with 5 gallons of water. Then replace the cap and twist it to close. Attach the suction hose to the end of the pump. The gasket should fit tightly around it. The suction hose with strainer should be placed deep within the water. Attach the discharge hose to the side to carry the water away. It should lie as flat and as straight as possible. Place the pump on a level surface as close as possible to the water source.
Do not attempt to start the engine unless the pump has been primed with water. Once the engine is started, the priming process will take a few moments before the water begins to flow.
Place the engine fuel valve lever in the on position. Move the throttle lever away from the slow position toward the fast position, about 1/3 of the way. If the engine is cold, place the choke lever in the closed position. If the engine is warm, place the choke lever in the open position. If the engine is started and the choke lever was in the closed position, gradually move it to the open position as the engine warms up. To begin pumping, place the throttle lever in the run position. Then, pull the cord to start. Always run the engine at full speed when pumping and never leave the pump unattended. When you are done pumping, move the throttle lever to the idle position. After the engine cools, turn the engine on-off switch to the off position. Remove the drain plug from the pump housing and drain any water left in the pump. Disconnect the suction hose and the discharge hose. Once dry, pack up the unit and hoses and return them to your local Sunbelt Rentals location.
So there you have it for the 2-inch gas trash pump. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us again for your next job or project.